Jan, it's your turn. You got lots of boxes in front of you there.
Bunches of goodies here, all different types of things that would make good Christmas presents.
Okay.
Start with is something called Expands, which is just a little half-slot board, and what this does basically is it gets as much as 3 times the amount of storage on your disk. And the way it does it basically is it compresses the files. It does it on the fly. It's transparent to you. It compresses it when it writes and reads, and you don't even know it. Real nice little package, and it's lists for $199.
Okay.
We also have RAM Pack, which is 2 products that were bestsellers on their own. PopDrop Plus, which lets you manage RAM resident utilities in expanded memory and things like that. And then Above Disk, which lets you use your disk as expanded memory, saving you the money of going out and getting expanded memory. Nice little package. Together they're listing for $139. Okay. After Dark has been a best-selling screensaver in the Macintosh, and now they have it for the PC. It's wonderful. I think people will love getting it. Something I use quite a bit is Grammatic 4. It's for MS-DOS, it's for Windows, and it really analyzes your writing style, points out various things that maybe could be improved or couldn't.
A good gift for kids, too, I think.
I think for anybody who's doing writing, letters, homework, anything just about. Percent Edge lets you do all sorts of amortization, mortgage calculations, would let you take your portfolio that Chris just showed us and see what kind of interest rate you really earned on your appreciation. Also, Computer Industry Almanac, big book, the 1990 version is out, and it has just about everything you'd ever want to know about the computer industry. And last, but definitely not least, is Lotus Magellan.
Okay, and you're going to show us
I'm going to show you that, This is something that, you know, once you use it, you'd never use MS-DOS without it. And basically, the kind of file management capabilities that you have with this are extremely pleasant. Here we have each of the drives. We have 4 drives here. We're going to be looking at the C drive. Now, what you see on the right-hand side is everything that you would see in a DIR listing. But what you can do is just with the cursor keys, you can go over here and now have access to each one of these individual items. After the directories, they're going to show you other things.
Can you look at the files?
You can look at the files, too. And let's just say you can also find things. Let's say I want to find Jan. So it showed me 2 files. I'm going to go up in this directory and look at this one. I can actually go in here. Normally, to look at all these files, I have to have the applications, I have to open them. Don't have to do that.
You can do that from Magellan.
Each one of these. And in fact, if some of these things are not even ASCII files, you can still see them.
In their native mode.
Exactly.
Is it hard to use Magellan? I've heard that.
Not at all. Just take a look at this. You can do things like, again, you're just using really function keys and the cursor keys. Let's say that you wanted to only look at, throughout your entire C drive, you only want to look at program files, let's say.
There's also, it's also been accused of having an extensive setup situation.
It is not. It's not that hard at all.
Yeah, there they are. All your
there it is.
files,
All the COMs and the XEs, and they come from different directories, and they're all there.
Okay, Jan, I need you to give Paul a shot here. And while you're handing the keyboard over, what's the cost for Magellan?
Magellan is $139.
Not bad. All right.